Hi, today we will learn the way to enable or show seconds in Windows 11 desktop clock easily. So firstly, go to Start, then Settings. Under System, come to About, and beside OS Build, simply check the number and make sure that yours is as same as this or beyond. Otherwise, the seconds showing may not work in your PC. Now go to taskbar and right click. Taskbar Settings. Then taskbar Behaviors. Here at the bottom, you can see Show Seconds in System Tray. Mine is checked and the seconds is showing as you can see. So you can enable or disable seconds in the clock. But keeping the seconds showing enabled will use more power as it's mentioned clearly. And it's that simple. But again, make sure that the OS build is same as shown or above the number, and only then this will work in your PC. Hope you found this video useful and please be with us to inspire. Goodbye.